One day, a clever fox was roaming the forest. Searching for food, she sniffed around, jumped between trees. Suddenly, she slipped and fell into a deep well. The fox quickly tried to climb out. She stood on her back legs and scratched the walls, but each time she slipped back down. No matter how hard she tried, she couldn't escape. Tired and hopeless, she sat by the water waiting for help. After some time, a fat and thirsty goat passed by and saw the fox in the well. He curiously asked, "Oh, fox, what are you doing down there?" The clever fox quickly thought of a plan. She smiled and said, "Oh, dear goat, this water is so sweet. I jumped in to drink, and now I feel fresh and happy." The goat, who was very thirsty, looked at the water and believed the fox. Without thinking, he jumped into the well to drink. As soon as the goat landed, the fox quickly climbed onto his back, then used his horns to jump higher. With one last leap, she got out of the well. Dusting herself off, she smirked and said, "Thank you, goat. Now you find your own way out." Then she ran away into the forest. The goat stood in shock, realizing his big mistake. He had trusted the fox without thinking. Moral: never trust someone blindly. Always think before making a decision.